Hey guys, this is Lab, and this week I'm going to show you how to build a Lego Payphone. Alright, these are going to be the pieces you're going to need. You're going to need 2 glass pieces. That is 1 by 2 glass pieces that is too tall. You're going to need 6 detailed slant pieces. 2 upward slanted pieces, 1 by 2 upward slanted pieces. 3 1 by 1 bricks, and this I'm just gonna call it an eye piece or a traffic light piece. And then you're gonna need a 2 by 3 flat, 2 Technic slot pieces with a stud on top, I guess you could say, and 1 by 2 flat smooth, 1 by 2 flat, and a 1 by 2 flat with a stud in the center, and this telephone brick or a grip piece. And you're going to need this 1 by 1 clip. Alright, we're going to start off by getting your 1 by 2 flat with a stud in the center, and you're going to get 2 1 by 1s. Just going to place them on top of each other, and you're going to put it right on top of that 1 by 2. Then you're going to get your eyepiece or traffic light piece. You're going to put it on top of that. Then you're going to get another 1 by 1. Put it on top of that. Now go over and get your clip. Put it right there. Then get your telephone piece. Put it right on the clip. Now we're going to set that aside for a second. And we're going to get your 2 by 3 flat and your 2 windows. No, wait, not your 2 windows. You're going to get 4 detailed slant pieces. You're just going to put them on the edge, like so. It can get kind of difficult putting detailed slant pieces on. There we go. Now you're going to get your 1 by 2 flat and your 1 by 2 flat smooth. Put your smooth on top of that flat. Put that right in the center, like that. Now you're going to get your 2 window pieces. Put it right there. Oops. And right there, like that. And you're going to get your 2 slants, upward slant pieces. Put them like that. Okay. Now you're going to get your 2 Technic slot pieces. And you're going to fit it right in the bottom of them, like that. Like that. And then you're going to get your 2 other detailed slant pieces and slant them where they look like that. Okay? Now you're going to get this, and you're just going to put it right in between them, like that. And actually it's really, really sturdy. You can shake it around and it won't fall off. Okay? And that's how you build your Lego Payphone. Let me show you in comparison with a minifigure what it looks like. Proportion test. Great proportion. But anyway, thanks for watching this Lego tutorial, and I hope you liked it.